coffee, head down to the Colosseum. We didn't buy our tickets online ahead of time. Really noob move on our side. We were just rushing to do a bunch of different things.
It's Easter weekend right now, and I just remembered that the people next door sometimes are annoying about sound.
Oh, where's our water?
Did we leave that there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Dang.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, we gotta go back.
Here comes Hammer, coming back with the water bottle.
So that's the line for the Forum. Although it looks long, it's definitely shorter than the Colosseum.
All right, we are in line now. I think it's not so long. Maybe, I don't know, maybe we'll be 1 hour or less.
We're so close. So we just waited like an hour, but we finally got our tickets. We could still go into the Colosseum. We could just see the arena from the top. And then we also got the Forum and then the Pantheon.
Palatino and the Forum are connected, so it's one gate, and we're about to walk through it. Palatino is where the emperors were, it's where the city was founded, and it's where kind of the more important people lived and did their business. And then the Forum is more for the public, so maybe some of the lesser politicians and the regular people would live there. So this is like the OG Rome.
The OG. All right, let's go check it out.
This is what it looks like when you first walk in.
Where all the Rome is though, everything is ruined. So behind me, you'll find some rocks. And in front of me, you'll find some more rocks. These rocks. These rocks are 2,000 years old though. It is actually really, really beautiful though. There's so much rich history here and I love seeing this. And I'm super excited to get inside the Colosseum. So the ticket was €12 to get inside all these places.
If you buy ahead of time, you can get the arena ticket also, which is €14. So it's an extra $2, €2 to be able to see the arena in the Colosseum.
I love history like this. I don't know if Ruthie does as much. She doesn't like art, but I think she likes sculptures.
I love history. I used to know a lot about history and then I forgot it all.
Even the birds are here admiring this as well.
Clearly, we didn't plan this out where we could get here with fewer people.
I'm currently sitting on 3,000 years of history.
Wonderful.
These pillars are wild. Like, how did they build them? Much pillar.
This map is going to take a long time to figure out. This says Sequi. That means we're here. Don't know what else the rest means, but that's where we are in the map. I lost my voice. Can you hear it?
If she lost her voice, y'all wouldn't be able to hear it. You can get free oranges. I'm not even kidding. I'm about to get one because I'm really hungry.
He is getting hangry.
Check it out, guys. This is my favorite girl in the whole world.
Hi, my name is Ruthie.
I love her.
I kind of want an orange too.
So go get one. She's short, but she can do it.
It's probably not allowed. I'm just really happy we found a garden on top of here. It's beautiful. Hammer wants to take a bath. Do you think they clean it?
Look how beautiful it is. Yeah, they do. Look how beautiful it is.
Looks clean enough for me. Like a hostel, you know?
It's like a hostel. What does Ruthie really think? True thoughts.
True thoughts is I'm always looking for a bathroom to pee in. I feel like I don't drink that much water and I always have to pee.
Look at how beautiful she is. She's beautiful. Dang it. I was like, oh, so where should we go? She was naming off a bunch of spots. I was like, we're not gonna go to the Vatican. She's like, oh my God, I forgot about the Vatican.
Don't tell the Pope. He's just trying to look at the Colosseum, just like everybody else. Hammer, Hammer, you're gonna scare him away. You always scare them away.
I really do.
Hey, guy. Wow, humans respect birds more than they respect each other. Seriously though, everyone was like, oh, I don't want to get too close to the bird or else he'll fly away and everything. But like when it comes to being next to other human beings, they don't care. They'll just push you, you know?
They do it for the gram. They'll push everybody out of the way just to take a picture.
Hammer's hungry, and so am I, and we're gonna find some artichokes somewhere.
Yeah. One of my old coworkers, Vince, great guy, he recommended this place to get the best artichoke, and it's in the Jewish neighborhood of Rome, so pretty close by to the Colosseum.
We are trying to go into this place.
Check out the ruin next to it.
Their specialty is to get some of this. This is fried artichoke. This is bacala, it's fish, and then also a fried zucchini.
Fried artichoke, fish, and then this is what, zucchini?
Yep. All right, wish me luck. Oh my God. I knew this was the right choice. I'm so glad. This was €18 altogether. Let me try the zucchini now. This is good. I like the fish more, but this is good.
I've never had artichoke before in my life, and I don't even know what it is, but I'm super pumped to try it.
I don't know how he doesn't know what artichoke is.
I don't even know what to expect.
You like it?
It's very fried, but it tastes super fresh. That's amazing.
Really good meal, but very salty.
It's a great thing that we had a time slot because the line is like no line at all. But if you don't have a time slot, the line. It's going around the corner. Literally no line, and it's awesome. Just straight up in. As you can see to my right, super long line. And now we're about to enter. So get your time slot. Make sure that you come here about like 10 minutes before, just to make sure like you understand where you need to go to get inside.
I think it's a really good idea to go and buy your ticket at the Forum instead.
Yeah, the Forum, no
come back
line.
here.
It's so much easier.
Yeah, we waited 1 hour this morning, which is not so bad.
Yeah, and this looks like way longer.
Welcome to Ruthie and Hammer. We're going upstairs first.
I feel like a gladiator.
We made it to the Colosseum. Check it out. This
No,
is it.
so dope,
This is
so
the
dope. We're here.
Colosseum.
That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
None of them had noses.
Where do the nose go?
Hammer, do you think there's enough people here?
You know, I think we could fit more.
Ta-da! All I know about the Colosseum is that it was built in 9 years, probably mostly by slaves. And
Yeah.
also they have trapdoors in the arena so that animals can come up for entertaining shows.
And there's your guided tour.
These are a couple of, couple thousand-year-old rocks.
These are brick.
Yeah, oh man. Guys, I'm not good at this. These are like the actual stairs that they actually went on. The actual stairs that they actually went on in Roman times. It's pretty steep.
Actually, there's a lot around here that just like shows you the history of the Colosseum and Rome as a whole.
Yeah, it's kind of like a museum inside. It's really cool.
So you can still see down there pretty much. You just can't walk down there if you don't have the ticket. Not bad. Cool, we hope you guys enjoyed the Colosseum. Now we're going downstairs.
We're gonna go get gelato now. We're so tired because it took us so long to get here. And it's hot outside. But I'm so excited to try some of these flavors. Comment below, what flavors do you get?
Oh,
Thank you.
Oh,
Okay, for you some.
all vanilla, because I love vanilla.
oh my god.
So my ice cream fell, but I caught it in my hand and I put it back on. Because I had you guys in my hand.
Oh my god. You saved the ice cream.
I had to.
Oh,
Looks amazing. What'd you get?
Oh, you got the big one?
No, it's a small one. So big, come on.
Oh my god.
We have
you,
to burn
was
this
the small
calorie,
size.
so let's
So
work.
this was what, €250?
Yeah, only 250.
Oh, you like vanilla too. You
I
got
love
vanilla.
Vanilla too?
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
like
white
vanilla.
chocolate in.
Yeah. And white chocolate.
Oh, yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that was the best dessert I've ever had in my entire life. We're going back tomorrow.
I'm definitely sure. We're 100% going back tomorrow. And they put the vanilla inside or chocolate inside, and they give you the wafer and the whipped cream, and it all fell on my hands. I just need to find somewhere to wash them. We have not been able to cook since we started this trip, and Ruthie and I love cooking. Ruthie's gonna show you guys what we got and what's on the menu for today.
We got orecchiette. I'm pronouncing it wrong. Asparagus. Pomodoro pasta. Pecorino Romano, this is gonna be for the pasta itself. And then we've also got mozzarella, cherry tomato. A very cheap tiramisu, so maybe it'll taste good.
Some oranges for the morning. Ruthie and I always used to cook back home. It was one of the things that I knew I was gonna miss most.
From the moment we started dating, we always cooked together. So it's really special to us to be able to have a home-cooked meal.
Pasta's done. We put asparagus in the sauce, and now I put the pasta in the sauce. I'm also putting some cheese on top. Mix it all together, heat it up a little bit, and then bon apple tea. I hope you all get the bon apple tea reference.
When you cook with love, the food really does taste better.
It does. It seriously does. More cheese. More cheese. Hell yeah.
We love cheese in this family.
Bon appetit, y'all. Talking to a camera is tough. Like.
But I really like it. And looking back at our memories, like in the videos, it's so fun.
Thanks for joining us for cooking with Ruthie and Hammer. We're enjoying some tiramisu right now and had an amazing meal and an awesome day in Rome. Super excited for tomorrow. We're super excited for tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you tomorrow for some more adventures.